Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of table viewer in QlikView. So first of all, table viewer is nothing but going to show us the fields or the column headings. So we will see it one by one. So go to this file menu. From the menu bar you can click on edit script, or you can also type Ctrl plus E. Now we have to load a data source, or we have to load a data from a file. So we will select data from files, click on table file. Now it is going to redirect us to the folder where we can select a file. Now I will select a file named as Office City Sales, click on open. Now if we don't want this ABCD, this is nothing but the field, what you can say, field is given in terms of alphabetical manner. So if you don't want, you can click on this particular labels, embedded labels. XLSX file is there. Click on next, 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 and finish. So code is going to generate over here. You can see this particular code. You can see this, and the file name is nothing but Office City Sales, and the table which we have selected is nothing but Office City Sales table. So click on OK. Click on reload. So the data is going to be fetched in this particular main sheet. This is nothing but the main sheet or the QlikView document. Now press Ctrl plus E, or you can go to File menu. Again follow the same steps. Go to the edit script window. So over here we can find out table viewer option. So click on the table viewer option. So the moment I clicked on this particular table viewer option or the table viewer button, so I can see this particular field names or the column headings. So state code, state, market, market size, territory, and offices. These are nothing but the column heads or the field heading. So 6 columns are there, so which is being shown over here. So if you want to see the source table view, so we can click over here. Now this is nothing but your internal table view. So whenever I click on source table view, it is going to show us this particular source table view. This is nothing but having the same internal table view. Same. If you want to click on auto layout, it is going to resize it like this. So I hope you have understood what is the use of table viewer. So with the help of table viewer, we can have an immediate view, or if we want to see what are the field names or what are the column headings immediately, so we can click on table viewer and we can see the field names or column headings. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.